Hi there! If you're ready to bust some stress, get your body moving and lift your mood while doing that, this video is for you. The goal for the next 10 minutes is to keep moving with some regular walk moves and to add in a little bit of strength and balance moves so that at the end of 10 minutes, we are feeling re-energized and proud that we showed up for ourselves. If that sounds good to you, let's start by marching together. Quick note, if you don't have your comfy walking shoes on, please hit pause, lace up and come right back. Also, a couple of quick reminders. I'm not a healthcare or fitness professional. Kindly check the disclaimer on screen and in the description below. And as always, remember to match the moves and the intensity of your walking workout to meet your body where it is at today. So let's start by marching and making our arms, taking our arms around in full circles around the wood. Alright, so for today, I'm going to be doing more of the wide marches. If we get back into the regular march, no big deal, just hit reset and go back to the wide march. Let's start by warming up. Let's go 1, 2, 3, tippy toes. So we are doing other side, front tap, side tap, back tap, tippy toes. Once more, front tap, side tap, back tap, tippy toes. Get really tall when you go out for tippy toes. And the other side. Let's do a few of our step and reach, and then let's beat back in march. For our first move today, we're actually doing skaters without the bend. One of my viewers said in the comments to my last video that their favorite move was skaters without the bend. So I'm bringing that in today. It's up to you whether you want to do it skaters without the bend, or if you want to add a hop, a bend, a tap. I'll be going skaters without the bend with some arm swings. 3, 2, 1. Let's meet back in march. For our next move, we're going to be doing something simple, really simple and fun. We're going to go front, back. Make sure you have enough clearance at the back. 3, 2, 1. Let's meet back in march. The same viewer said that they like lunges over squats. So today we're going to bring in some side lunges. If you have any requests, do drop it in the comments and I'll try and bring it in the next video. So for today's side lunges, we stand with our feet like, hip width apart, and then we take the one foot, take a wide step. We're going to push our backside into the chair, bend the leg, we step out and straighten the opposite leg. Come back in, do a knee lift, a tippy toe or a knee raise and reset. Let's do the same thing on the other side. And bring it in, a knee raise and reset. Let's do 3 more of these. 2, oopsie, lose your balance, no big deal, just hit reset and come back, last set. And let's meet back in the march. I hope you're having fun, I am, and remember, feel free to take a break when you need, adjust the move, and if you need, feel free to grab support at any time. Alrighty, for our next move, we are doing quick feet with punches. So you Walk down a little bit and go as fast or as slow. See what works for you. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's meet back in March. For our next move today, we're going to be doing crunches and hammer curls. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to do 2 crunches. So you're bringing the elbow to the opposite knee. So you're going to do 2 crunches and then you're going to do 2 hammer curls on the same side. 2 crunches and then 2 hammer curls with the knee that you were bringing up. Let's do 4 on each side. 4 more I meant. 3 more. 2 more. It could also be a lighter knee raise and a lighter hammer curl. The last one. If I'm doing an extra one, I'm sorry about that. Sometimes I lose count while talking. Let's meet back in March. Now, we're going to repeat the 5 moves a little bit faster this time. And let's start from the top. So let's start with skaters without the bend. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's meet back in March. Our next move is front, back, front, back, front, back. 2, 1. All right, let's meet back in our march. For the lunges, right? Let's try and do 4 on each side. So we're doing lunge with a knee lift or a knee raise. 4. Now the 3rd set. I'm sorry. 3 more to go. 2. 1. All right. Awesome. If you're having fun, please do remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. It helps the channel a lot. Thank you. For our next move, we are doing quick feet with punches. So let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Let's meet back in March. I hope you're having fun and feeling like your mood is a little bit better than you first started. I'll be honest with you. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best, my mood was probably like a 5, 5.5, 6 today when I started. But I want to say, I did do a 10-minute walk earlier and I'm doing this now. So I'm probably at a 7, 7.5. I hope walking helps you as well. And for our next move, we are doing 2 crunches, 2 hammer curls, 2 crunches, 2 hammer curls, 2 more on each side. Last set. Let's start cooling down. marching slower, doing some shoulder rolls and some quick arm stretches and hamstring stretch. We do need to come back to the calf stretches. In this video here, I shared another 10-minute walk. No squats, no lunges, no equipment. And in this playlist here, I share simple, effective tips to keep yourself active and eating healthier. I hope to see you there.